Hi friends, I'm Pujita from FX St. Francis Xavier Anglo-Indian High Secondary School. I'm also a student in Junior IAS Academy. Today we are going to see about what is hazards. Hazards are classified into three parts. There are natural hazard, human-made hazard, and social natural hazards. Natural hazards examples are earthquakes, floods, cyclone, storms, droughts, landslides, and tsunamis. Human made hazard. The example of human made hazards are train accident, oil spill, chemical leak, and etc. Next, we are going to see about what are the examples of social natural hazards. These social natural hazards are wars, bomb blasts, and etc. Hazards based on their origin. Atmosphere hazards. Atmospheric hazards. Tropical storms, thunders, lightning, tornadoes, heat waves, fog, and forest fire. Geologic hazard. Earthquakes, tsunami, landslide, and land substance. Hydrologic hazard. Floods, droughts, coastal erosion, and storms and strikes. Volcanic hazards. Eruptions and lava flows. Environmental hazard. Pollution of soil, air, water, global warming, and deforestation. Biological hazard. Chickenpox, smallpox, AIDS, and killer bees. Technological hazard. Hazards material insects, fires, bridges, tunnels, dams, nuclear, radioactive hazards. Major hazards in India. Earthquakes. Earthquake is a violent tremor in Earth's crust, sending out a series of shock waves in directions from its place of origin. Earthquakes prone regions of the country have been identified on the basis of scientific inputs relating to seismic earthquakes occurred in the past setup on region. Next, we are going to see about floods. Flood is an event in which a part of Earth's surface get inundated. Heavy rainfall and large waves in the seas, the common causes of flood. Next, we are going to see about what are the cyclone storms. A cyclone storm is a strong wind circulating around a low pressure area in the atmosphere. It can rotate anti-clockwise direction in the northern hemisphere and clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Tropical cyclones are characterized by decreased winds, storms, slugs, and expectation of high level of rainfall, which may cause flooding. Wind speed may reach up to 200 km per hour, and rainfall may record up to 50 cm in a day for several construction days. Next, we are going to see about what are droughts. Any lack of water to satisfy the normal needs of agriculture, livestock industry, human population may be termed as a droughts. Further, the drought could be classified as three majors as meteorological droughts, hydrological droughts, and agricultural droughts. Meteorological droughts. It is a situation where there is a reduction of a rainfall for a specific period below a specific level. Hydrological droughts. It is an associated reduction of water streams, rivers, reservoirs. It is a two types of surface water droughts and groundwater droughts. Agriculture droughts. It is referred to be a condition in which the agricultural crops affected to lack of rain. Next, we are going to see about what are the landslides. Landslides is a rapid downward movement of rock, soil and vegetation downstep under the influence of gravity. Next, we are going to see about what is tsunami. Tsunami refers to a huge ocean waves caused by earthquake, landslide, or volcanic eruption. It is generally noticed in the coastal regions and travel between 640 and 960 km per hour. Tsunami pose serious danger and inhabits of the coastal areas. Do you know? The word tsunami is derived from the Japanese word shu and meaning of the harbor nami, meaning harbor wave. Next, we are going to see about hazardous waste. The waste that can be tend to advise health of effects on the crowd. The following are the major hazardous waste: radioactive substance, chemicals, medical waste, and flammable waste. Next, we are going to see about pollution of air. Air is a mixture of several gases. The main gases are nitrogen, 78% for forming products such as fertilizers for plants and for making oxygen for breathing, and carbon dioxide for photosynthesis. Some other gases like argon, neon, helium, krypton, hydrogen, ozone, xenon, and methane are also present in. Besides, water vapor and dust particles make their presence felt in their one way or other. Next, we are going to see about pollution of water. Water pollution may be defined as alteration in physical, chemical, biological characters of water, which may be cause harmful effects in the human aquatic life. In India, water pollution have been taking place on a large scale and since a long period. Both surface and underground and groundwater bodies are polluted to great extent. The major causes of water pollution in India are urban sizes, industrial effluents, sewages, soil waste. Recap. Hazards are defined as the paraphernalia and that pose to the threat people, structure, or economic assets and which may cause disaster. There are three types of hazards, namely natural hazards, human made hazards, and social natural hazards. Natural hazards are earthquakes, floods, cyclone, storms, droughts, landslides, tsunami, and volcanic eruption. Human made hazards are explosion, hazardous waste, pollution of air, land, and water. Social natural hazards are caused by combination. Thanks for watching this video.